Are you a Chevy owner in Sand Springs, Sapulpa, Manford, or Tulsa? Finding certified service and genuine OEM parts is essential. Keystone Chevrolet, located just 6 minutes west of Tulsa, is your trusted destination. At Keystone Chevrolet, our certified service center offers comprehensive maintenance and repair services. Our GM-trained technicians specialize in your vehicle, providing quality care you can trust. From oil changes to transmission service, we ensure your Chevy runs smoothly. We also service all makes and models. We perform GM warranty work regardless of where you purchased your vehicle. Why choose certified dealer service? Unlike independent shops, our technicians are factory trained specifically for Chevrolet vehicles. They have access to factory-grade OEM parts and the latest technical resources. This means you receive quality service and warranty protection. Our services include oil changes with AC Delco full synthetic oil, battery replacements with warranty options, and comprehensive vehicle inspections. We also handle tire service and guarantee the lowest price on new tires. We offer brake maintenance repair and replacement, as well as wheel alignments, ensuring every part of your Chevy performs optimally. When it comes to parts, using OEM parts means you get reliability and a 2-year unlimited mileage warranty on most GM parts. They're designed specifically for your vehicle, maintaining performance and resale value. Our parts center stocks GM genuine parts and AC Delco components for your convenience. At Keystone Chevrolet, we're proud to offer warranties on our service and parts. If anything isn't right, we strive to make it right, ensuring you have peace of mind. But it's not just about service and parts. We offer customer perks too. Enjoy free pickup and delivery service, a shuttle service, loaner vehicles, military and first responder discounts. These benefits make your experience effortless. Ready to schedule your service? It's easy. You can book your appointment online or call us. Our team is always available to assist you. Remember, the service hours are Monday through Friday from 7 o'clock a.m. to 6 o'clock p.m. and Saturday from 8 o'clock a.m. to 1 o'clock p.m. Don't settle for less when it comes to your Chevy. Trust only Keystone Chevrolet for certified service and authentic OEM parts. Call us now at 918-932-708 or visit us in Sand Springs. Experience the difference of trusting your vehicle to certified experts.